Hey guys, as you know, we're getting there with the rear of the car sort of getting buttoned up now, so I thought I'd move my attention to the front. So she's in a bit of a dire state there, so I'm just going to strip down all the inner plastics, and this one's still got all this sort of stuff, which is normally what's ripped out straight away from the old Civics, but yeah, all the inner guards. So I'm basically just going to go through the motions of stripping those out, cleaning it up, under seal. I'll remove those brake lines and the likes, because I'm going to change those over to something a bit different. Still not 100% decided if I do the 262 or the 282 upgrade and prelude or the Del Sol ones, but we'll get there. Giving it a little bit of a freshen up of the old front arms here. So these arms here will actually allow either of those two brake combos to work, and then also cleaned up the old front sway bar and gave that a coat as well. So that's all looking sharp, ready for going on, or taking the place of the factory subframe. Factory sway bar here, which is currently mounted on the factory subframe. So just gonna go through and swap a few things over, and picked up a couple of other rear calipers from the old man's that I've got to work out what I'm going to do there. I've got a couple, and I just got to check them over and give them a good clean up. And I made an inquiry with a New Zealand-based brake, retrofit rebuild type place, Apex Auto Services in Hamilton, just to sort of see what the costs are to rebuild, or if I decide to do something different like a DC5 upgrade, or you can buy new calipers and the likes too. We'll see. I think from what I've heard, it's the pistons that are the expensive part of the rebuild, so we'll just see what they come back with and decide if I want to go that way or think of something else. But I've got all the nice new bushes and discs and things and braided lines, so I don't want to have the weak link to be the caliper, the thing that actually stops your car. So I'll work that out, but in the interim, today's plan is to rip into these guards. So I'll get into that now, see how much of a mess is underneath it all. Hey guys, got the package of doom today from Redline Performance here in New Zealand. I got the BC Racing Golds for the Civic, so pretty pumped. I'm just about to open them up and have a nosy at what we've got. Pretty exciting times. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't pretty excited about receiving these today. So it's I only ordered them on, what day is it? On Wednesday. I ordered them on Monday and they arrived already. So just goes to show how what kind of service we have here in NZ when the parts are on shore. So pretty cool. Here we go. We've got the so the BR type. Some nice stickers by the looks. A warranty card. And we've got one nice rear shock. Here we go. BC Racing for the EG Honda. Pretty pumped about that, not gonna lie. Haven't actually seen well, I sort of haven't. I've seen them, but I haven't really checked them out in person. But that looks like a really nice product and well made. So stay tuned as I fit them to the car. Cheers, BC Racing and Redline Performance. Me again. I just thought I'd with installing these adjustables, obviously I'll check over that everything's tight from the factory and the likes, but I thought I'd quickly have a look at the instructions, and pleasantly surprised just the detail that these guys go through. So obviously got some nice BC Racing stickers here, but even things like this, which is the warranty card, it's an actual like FBOSS card. I mean, that's the attention to detail there is pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with it. And then some other nice gold stickers here, so happy days.